What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to accomplish a few looks that are very cute and stylish for the summertime. Keeps that cool breeze on your head. You don't have to have this big woolly mammoth on top of your head being all hot and greasy, because we know how it is in the South. It is too hot to have your hair all over your head every day. Okay, so before we get into this video, please subscribe to this channel. Like, just click, I think it's right there. Right there? Yeah. Click that button. And then the button beside it is the post notification button, just in case you didn't know. Click that button as well so you can receive notifications every single time I post a new video. So you'll be the first to know. Like, not them, you'll be the first to know when I post a new video. I'm going to continue to try to be consistent and post new videos every day. I have so many ideas, and I'm sorry you guys that have already subscribed. You've been missing me, I know. I know, but I'm going to post more videos more often, I promise. So subscribe, push those post notifications, and also like this video, please. Share this video. If you don't like this video, you can click the dislike button, but just share it, please. Just share it on your social media, so that way another person can take advantage of subscribing to my channel and receiving all of the good information that I'm going to give my subscribers on this channel. But that's enough of me rambling. Let's get into the video.
They say humans are social animals. They can't live alone. But you can live pretty well by yourself.
Alright, you guys, so first, I start with my water and oil as usual to help detangle my hair and to activate those products that are already in my hair, of course. Then I'll just take my rat tail comb to part my hair on the side, and then I will use my fingers to part my hair in two sections in the front. So next, I'll just put my hair in a high bun in the back.
So it doesn't matter if I'm there or not, right?
You were just afraid they'd abandon you. So you abandoned them?
Alright, next I will take the larger portion of the front two sections, and I will start splitting it into two sections in the beginning, and I will just take the two strands and twist them a few times before I start to add the rest of my hair to each strand. And I'll just continue to do this all the way down to about above my ear. And after I'm done twisting, I just tuck the end of that twist to the back of my bun. I just use the same hair tie that I used for my bun, just tuck it in there. Then I just do the same exact thing on the other side, but instead of tucking the end of the hair to the bun, I just add another hair tie that's a little bit tighter than the one that I tied my bun with, and you'll see that in a few. second hairstyle is very similar to the first one, except the bun is going to be a low bun to the side, and the second twist is just going to wrap around the back of your hair. So it's the same method, same twisting, same everything, just a low bun to the side. So for the last hairstyle, I just start off by splitting my hair into two sections, one at the top and one in the back. Alright, and I take my hard brush and brush the back of my hair into another high bun. So similar to the first two hairstyles, I twist my hair, but instead of doing the 2-strand twist, I just twist. My hair is not as defined as the other twist I was doing earlier. And once I finish twisting the rest of that section, I then just tuck it and add another hair tie to that so it can stay in place. And then I use my Eagle Styler gel. You already know this is my favorite. It's almost gone, to slick them baby hairs down, honey. Yes, slick them baby hairs down with that nasty toothbrush. Go, girl. So once the baby hairs get slicked down, honey, you know I'm ready to go. Hop out the door, do what I need to do for the day, honey, looking all cute. But anyways, you guys, thank you again for watching my videos. I hope you liked this video. I hope it was helpful to anyone that watched it. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share this video. Bye.
I left that nigga on red cause I felt like it. Dress me down in that red Saint Laurent jacket. Dapper, I look fine and my checks define. No wonder why I do whatever I like. I do.